The two roads, the crossroads of investing in real estate or investing in stocks. That is the crossroad that many investors have come upon, and they've had that question, which direction should I go? Now I'll tell you, I'll answer it in two ways. First, personally, what I do, because I like to be a student of my own teachings. I've actually done both. So I do have a portfolio, just from my days in working in corporate. I do have a healthy 401k, and I have invested in real estate. I haven't taken my self-directed IRAs at all to invest in real estate. I've used my corporate basically pay to and my savings to invest in real estate with the intention of creating a second stream of income. That has worked out personally really good for me. So my answer is both. I definitely think it's important to diversify and get involved in both. Now I will tell you, is the subtle difference between investing in a stock versus investing in real estate. It's called leverage. I want you to really understand that. Leverage. The definition of the word leverage is your ability to move something with the power of a lever. Now, bring that into real estate. It is the ability to invest in a real estate asset with the power of utilizing bank financing. And here's where that power is. You buy a $300,000 building, and normally most average people will not have $300,000 available to them. They would have a down payment. $300,000 building typically would require about $60,000. Just making up quick rough numbers, $60,000. That is a pretty attainable number for most, if not it's an easily borrowable number. But for all intents and purposes, you're putting down a $60,000 down payment to purchase a $300,000 building with the power of leverage. The beauty is, when that $300,000 property appreciates in value, it's not the amount of money that you put into the deal. It's not just your portion of it. It's not your $60,000 that you put in. It's the entire amount. So if that property doubles in value, you get the benefit of that doubling in value. The difference with a stock is this. A stock is you're purchasing it at surface value. So there is really no leverage. If you're buying 50 shares of Tesla, you're buying 50 shares of Tesla at face value. That is the difference. One more thing that I'd like to leave you with. Your leveraged position when you buy real estate is actually paid down by your tenants. If you are in fact buying an investment property, that's paid down by your tenants. So definitely my response is both, but just understand the benefits of doing it from a real estate standpoint.